Instagram photography in 2026 is all about strong lighting, clean colors, cinematic tones, and consistent visual style. Adobe Lightroom is one of the most popular editing tools for Instagram creators because it allows fast professional edits, color grading, portrait retouching, and social media optimization. And honestly, the best Instagram photos usually look polished, but still natural and realistic. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to make Instagram photos in Lightroom step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Lightroom Classic and import the photo you want to edit for Instagram. Start by balancing exposure, highlights, shadows, contrast, whites, and blacks for a clean professional look. White balance controls help create warm lifestyle tones or cooler cinematic Instagram moods. Use vibrance and saturation subtly to improve colors without making the image look unnatural. Use the before and after comparison view to evaluate the full Instagram transformation. When exporting, use high-quality JPEG settings with the correct resolution and sRGB color space for social media. And honestly, successful Instagram photos usually depend more on lighting, composition, and consistency than extreme editing effects. Clean, natural edits often perform much better long-term. And that's your full guide on how to make Instagram photos in Lightroom in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to create clean, cinematic, and professional social media edits using Adobe Lightroom.